So here I have a 2017 Volkswagen Passat with a 1.8, and it had these codes: cylinder 2 misfire and the cylinder disabling due to electrical fault. But I think that's only on because there's a misfire on too. Now, this wasn't my car; it was co-workers, and they did spark plugs, and then they switched over coils, and the misfire was still on number 2. So what I did was I recommended let's look inside the cylinder just in case. And as you can see, when I went inside the cylinder, you see that one of the valves is actually burnt out. If you can see that. Also, what's really cool is that it looks like the piece that fell off the valve fell on the piston, and then it got stuck on the exact same valve. So what I'm showing right here is the valve next to it. It looks fine. It's a complete circle. And then right here, you can see the piece missing, and the piece that's stuck on it right there. So if you have these codes and the spark plugs or ignition coil doesn't fix it, you might want to check the inside of the cylinder. The reason I didn't go for fuel or the fuel injector is because when I pulled out the spark plug, it had fuel in it, so that told me it was shooting fuel at least. And if it's at least has fuel, it wouldn't be a dead misfire. It'd be kind of like intermittent, I guess you can say. But yeah, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll try to answer them best as I can, and hopefully this helps you out and makes your diag a little faster.